Hey guys, welcome back to Showing Small Engines. Someone brought me this Stihl BG86 leaf blower, and as you can see, there's no pull cord. He said the pull cord rope snapped. So just going to show you a quick video how to replace this. Real simple. Show you how to rewind it and all that stuff. So first thing we got to do is let's get this cover off. These are 3 T27 Torx bits, Torx bolts. And then this cover should slide straight out, okay? Now, I got a lot of dirt in here. I'm going to clean this up for him while I'm in here. You can see the carburetor is caked with dirt. And then what we're going to do, though, is fix this pull cord assembly. So his rope is shot. We're going to have to replace that with a new one. So what we're going to do is pull this one out of here. Okay. So I'm going to use the length of this one for the new one. Probably add on a little bit, but they're not real long because you're holding it in one hand, pulling with the other. So let's get a new piece of pull cord. I use this True Blue stuff. Works pretty good for me for what I use for. Comes in bulk. I use a lot of it. All right, so let's measure that out. 2 strokes, usually a little bit shorter, a lot shorter than like a lawnmower. So we'll cut it right there. This is number 4 or 1/8 diameter, if you can see that. I'm going to take this torch and put a good tip on the end there, okay? Before I start putting that through, I want to tie a good knot on the other end here so I don't get it all the way through and lose it. All right, that should be enough for the hole here. So we feed that through, and then we'll take the end and put it right through the hole here. Okay, pull that all the way through. Now before I go any further, I want to put the cap on so I don't wind this up and accidentally lose it and have to do this all over again. So get to the top here, make a knot up here. If your hole's a little bit bigger, which this one isn't, one single knot will be fine. If it's a larger hole, you could either use like a small washer or double knot it. Okay, that's not going anywhere. Now, to get this to wind, I'm going to pull this loop through like that. Okay. And I'm going to hook it into this little plastic notch here on the pulley. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to check it now. Pull this out, and we'll see if that's enough. Nope, not enough. So we're going to pull back in, loop it out. Usually takes between 4 and 5 on average. Again, we're going to hook it into that loop. There we go. Let's go 2 more turns. That's 5. There we go. That's it. All right, let's put it back on. But before I do that, I'm going to clean this up real quick, and then I'll show you reassembling this. All right, I cleaned this up a little bit, but let's go ahead and get this cover back on just to make sure that it pulls and works like it's supposed to. All right, make sure that these guys are turning and opening like they should. Okay, all right. I'm going to pull the spark plug off the boot off for a second while I get this on. Okay. 3 227 Torx. And then we'll reattach the spark plug. All right. All right, let's see if it starts. right, that's it. Pretty simple repair. This is the C model, which means it has an assist, so it's spring loaded. All right. So once it gets to a certain point, it just pulls like that. Okay. So that's it. Real simple repair. You know, just show you how to wind it up. New pull cord string. I'll put a link where you can buy bulk in this if you're going to be using a lot, but there's also, you know, one time, you know, for one use if you only need it for one. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. You can watch these other videos, like, subscribe down there, and catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.